Rose Tagdol Grandma from Turlock Province, representing Cathedral Island.
If you are going to give a single piece of advice to your much younger self, kasi you are still very young, what would it be and why?
If I were to give an advice to my younger self, well, I'll give a little story about my life. When I turned 18, I actually moved out from my family to see to see what world is, to live the reality. And by that, I believe it was actually a good advantage for me to realize what is the value of time, what is the value of people, what is the value of money. And I believe at this age that I am right now, at 22, I know in myself that I am already a grown woman who is understandable, who can give advices to people, and I am also an open book. I always share my story to other people. I always put smiles to other people, and by that I believe one advice that I would give to myself is don't stop and always keep it up. Thank you so much.
So if you are going to select the other candidates, who you think is the best girl to win the crown?
For me, they're all winners. They're already winners, and they are all deserve the crown. But for me, of course, if I would choose one queen, from these girls, my co-candidates, of course, not a bias, but of course, I will choose Priya. Priya is from Tarlac as well, and just like what Mayor told us a while ago, this is not merely a pageant anymore. This is for promoting the value of tourism of 100 Islands. And by that, I believe being new to this place is actually an advantage for us to learn what 100 Islands could offer. And all the experiences is something that we can turn into a story. And by that, we can really use that